Hey traders, welcome to another video brought to you by ZeroToHeroTrader.com, giving you the tools and the confidence to take on the markets in any environment and take your trading from zero to hero. Let's get started. What's going on, guys? Chart Slinger here with ZeroToHeroTrader.com, and for this video I wanted to present an idea to you about growing accounts, and maybe something that you haven't thought of before. As most of us, I think, when we're trading, we're trying to hit as big of a profit as we can on each trade. But really what makes a profitable trader over time is having consistent profits, trade after trade after trade after trade. So for us that are trying to grow accounts, I think this might be an interesting idea for you that maybe you haven't thought of before. So what I'm calling this is the 1% challenge. Okay, and I'm going to show you the math behind it and see what you think. All right, so let's go into the spreadsheet. Okay, so the question that I'm presenting is, can you earn 1% per day? So 1% on your account per day. And most people might say, yeah, I can earn 1% per day. That's easy. And some people, maybe you can't. But so let's go in here and see. All right, so let's just start with a $5,000 account balance. So on $5,000 account balance, you're only going for $50 a day. So do you think you can make $50 a day? Like I said, most people, say, yeah, I can make $50 a day. I mean, maybe I traded Netflix yesterday and I made $400. Okay? Yeah, but can you make that $50 day in, day out and not lose? That's the challenge. Okay? So yeah, we can make, larger returns here and there, but then, going for that big, you're going to lose every now and then. And you may lose more than that. So can you be consistent enough to where you're only going for 1% per day? All right? Well, let's look at this. The math can be very powerful. Okay, so at 1% per day, we have 252 trading days in the year. Okay, and at 1% per day, if you were to make 1% on your entire account balance every single trading day that was open, you would take your account to 12 times the original starting balance. 12 times. So on a $5,000 account, that's $60,000 in 1 year if you traded every single day and made 1% on your account balance. All right. So let's look at this, the target for each day. Okay, and I've broken these up into each multiple that you've gone to. So at 2x, it's 10,000. So at 5,000, we're starting for $50 a day, and as you move up, you go 1% each day. So once you get to 10,000, you're shooting for $100 a day. Once you get to 15,000, 150. 20,000, 200, so on and so forth. Okay, and you can see that to get to that 2 times, the 2x, takes a pretty good while. So you're chugging along here for 71 days, and that's a little bit over 3.5 months. Okay, until you hit that first 100% gain. All right, but 100% in 3.5 months is pretty damn good. All right, so you can see from the math here, you don't have to hit home runs to be able to grow your account exponentially. Okay, small base hits like this, 1% per day, can grow your account exponentially. All right, so say we do this for 2 years, and you're really going to be surprised at the level of growth that this is going to show us. Okay, so let's type in the $60,160. That's crazy. 2 years, you'll have over $700,000 in your account if you were to do this every single day for 2 years. That's not very long to make a pile of money. All right? And if you're able to make $7,000 a day, you're not hurting for anything. All right? So the goal here is to find a strategy where you can very easily and without much risk, make 1% on your money per day. And that's where you come in to do your research and studying to figure out what kind of strategy that is that can do that for you. But if you can find that strategy and employ that, you can really grow your account exponentially over a relatively short period of time. All right, guys, so that is the 1% challenge. And let me know in the comments what you think about this. If you think it's doable or if you think it's crazy, let me know. Hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. All right, see you guys later. Hey, as always, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you really like the video and you want more, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And if you want, you can hit us up on Twitter at 0 to Hero Trader or Instagram at the same. And if you're not in the Discord, go ahead and check the description for a link to that free Discord chat. Okay, guys, see you in the next video. Peace.